Alright guys, I wasn't super satisfied with how that last video on braided cells came out. My hand was blocking everything, blocking all the action. So we'll try this again. I got a new cell bed here and we'll give it a shot. I'm going to try to hold this a little bit further away so you can see what I'm doing here. You can get a better visual of what's going on. So we'll get started here, and I got my phone so I can kind of see what the camera is seeing. And I think if I hold this far enough away, you'll be able to see it. So let's try this. You just go one row at a time into a new cell and then back into the one you just did, going back and forth through the honeycomb. You're going in one side, try and match. It works best if you get like kind of hexagonal cells, if they're right butted up against each other. Because then you can go in one side, out the other side. Trying to be more mindful of where my hand is in this one. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Oh, I found a chunky in that one, so we'll just leave it there and try and continue. Not going to try pull that chunky out. Chunky on that one. Don't know how easy it is to see with with just the black outline. It's easier when you have a colored outline. But I think this video at least will turn out better than the other one. You can kind of see what I'm doing. I picked up a chunky. Okay, there we go. Braided up. Where to put a disc in? I think somewhere in that area. It's got the most sort of variety of colors. I like that spot the best. I'll go find one and see what I want to put in there. Alrighty, Castoplast Gold should get all the fine bits of this. I love. Oh, whew. It's pretty close. That was a close one. Okay, toss this sucker in. Alright, it's in there. I'll bake it under the heat lamp for a little bit and then pull it, and I'll show you guys the results. Alright, here's the result. Here's what it looks like. Came out pretty sweet. Still gonna do a black spin die on the rim, and we got one little bubble there, but overall I really like how this one came out. You can see pattern's nice and uniform, everything looks good. So hopefully that gave you a better idea of how this is done than the previous video where you couldn't really see the stick hitting the Floetrol. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that. As always, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, and see you next time. Happy dyeing, guys.